So I did a little something today, and I thought it'd be pretty cool to share with you guys. So I made a juice, and I'm gonna call it the coronavirus juice, and I hope you like it, and I hope you guys are staying safe and keeping healthy during the pandemic and with the coronavirus. Okay, let's start the video. You want me to move the chair? I'll move the chair. I want the raw video.
The behind the scene.
Okay, we're starting now. I know. You guys I haven't posted anything in like 2 weeks just because I just haven't been been really productive. Not being productive, but then I just didn't feel like posting a lot of things. Okay, today we are going to make a Corona shot juice made by my mom. You need lemon juice, you need apple cider vinegar, you need honey, you need ginger, and you need 5 cloves of garlic. I have everything prepared here, and I'm just gonna put everything in a container. So, is that Rico? Rico, come! Yeah, look at him. Wee. I'm gonna put it down. He doesn't like me.
Rico.
You also need a strainer for this. My mom told me to use a strainer. I haven't made this before, so it's the first time making this, and I don't know if I'm gonna do it right. I'm just gonna hit it off the bat. If it tastes bad, it smells bad, I'm doing good. So I'm gonna put my cloves in, my ginger, a little bit of that. Close this up. I'm using a magic bullet. You can use any kind of blender. This is what I have right now. I think it's a bit dry. It looks dry. Here's what it looks like right now. So I think this is why we need the strainer, because of the fiber of the ginger. Shake this. Okay. Yeah, it smells bad. It looks like bad. So, Mom, I'm making a drink.
What are you doing? I'm making a video. Wanna smell this? Wanna smell it?
Nope. Yep. He does not like it.
You're doing good. Wanna smell it?
Yep. Anyways, we're gonna go strain this now. Ew, look at that. Would you look at that? And shake that. Here's what it looks like. Oh, wow. Okay, we're gonna put these away. I am going to pour my juice in there, mix everything up now.
Well, I think I'm just gonna drain the whole thing.
I can work in the bar. I feel like I can serve this to everybody. Be like, you need this. Look at that. Whew. Oh my god, it's dangerous. It's dangerous. Look. My mama told me to put 5. Yes, Rico, do you want to smell this again? Yes, okay. Come. Wanna smell it? Wee. Okay. And we're gonna put a honey in there. So my mom told me that it is too sour, so you need to balance this out with something sweet. That honey is also good for you, so we'll do that. I don't know how much I put in here, but I'll just put maybe that. Yes, do you want to smell it again? She's like, no! Oh my god, that tastes so good. I'm gonna put more in there. Let's shake this baby! Okay, the moment of truth. Oh my god, it stinks! Whoa, smell it! It's gonna smell it, guys.
Ooh.
That smells really bad.
Yeah, that's terrible.
Okay, I'm getting too excited. I'm gonna reuse this bottle. So I'm gonna take this off. Why am I so excited for this? Oh my god. Yes, do you wanna smell it? Cerebral, but it's good for you.
Coronavirus!
Pour this thing in there. Whoa. Voila. Here you go, guys. My Corona juice, my coronavirus juice.
Coronavirus!
It looks good. It smells bad, but it's good for you.
Coronavirus!
Woo. Let's do a moment of truth. I have a little bit in there. I'm gonna give it to David. I'm gonna give him a little more. I see his reaction. How's that?
That's delicious.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh my god. That was so sour. Oh. Maybe have a shot of it every night, or maybe when you're feeling a little sick, maybe have a shot of this before you go to bed. I tell you guys, it's gonna feel real good. Well, it's not gonna feel real good when you drink it, but the next day, you're gonna feel really, really good. But anyways, guys, I hope you liked the video. Stay safe, keep your distance. I don't know what I'm doing, but keep your distance.